Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today I'm really excited because this video is a tradition on your girls channel. I've done one for the past 3 years and this is year number 4, and that is DIY locker decorations and decorating my locker. I'll link all my other years down below just in case you guys want to see other options. My question of the day is, what grade are you guys going into? I'm curious to know, but these are just easy, affordable ways to decorate your locker and have a little fun with it. I know when I was in school, I liked decorating my locker. I know, I'm a child, but you know, it's fun to kind of spruce up your space because you are going to spend almost a year at school, so might as well have a cute little space. I am going to be doing a bright, colorful theme for my locker video today. I hope you guys get some inspo. If you guys like it, thumbs it up. It always helps me out. If you guys make any of these decor or decorate your locker, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I love seeing everything you guys make. It's just at NicolettaXOYT. You can always catch me on there, but let's just jump into it. Of course, you are going to start with your blank locker. Make sure there's nothing in it. It's just so much easier to decorate it when it's completely clear. Now it is time to make this locker from bland to fab. To begin, I always like to start off with an adhesive wallpaper, and this year I got this one, and it's just this silver sparkle wallpaper. You just remove the sticker on the back. Of course, I measured it to my locker, and I just think it spruces things up and makes it that much cuter. You can obviously get any design you want, any color you want, but I went with this one and I really liked how it turned out. And if you are curious, I just picked this up at my dollar store, so it's super affordable as well. Next, I'm moving on to a DIY locker decor so that you can put it inside of your locker. And I am just taking some letters and some paint, and I'm going to be painting it. So I'm actually spelling out Nicole XO. Nicoletta did not fit, and there also wasn't enough letters to spell my name, Nicoletta, so I settled for Nicole. If you didn't know, Nicoletta is my Greek name. In English, it also translates to Nicole, so I thought I would settle with that. But all I did is I decided to paint it bright pink. Like I said at the beginning, I'm just doing a bright, colorful themes. I really want to have as many colors in my locker. Once I was done completely painting each letter, I just let it sit out to dry completely, and then it is time to add the magnets to the back of your letters. So I actually just bought a magnet strip and cut them into small pieces, and I just stuck them onto the back of each letter. I made sure to apply a couple pieces to each letter so that it really sticks onto your locker, and you can find magnets at the dollar store and just glue it onto the back. And then I just applied it to my locker more downward. You can obviously spell your name, or you can even do a quote, maybe write girl power, girl boss, whatever you really want. But I thought it was really cute and I really love this as well. I thought it added a lot more color to it, and you can also use these magnets if you ever need to hang something up on your locker wall. Of course, you can never forget a mirror for your locker. This thing comes in handy. I just went with this royal blue mirror, and I got this as well from the dollar store. They have a lot of cute locker decor near this time at your local dollar store, or you can even go to a craft store. But all I wanted to do with this is I just took some pearl stickers. So I just measured it according to the mirror and put it all over so that it was pretty covered. Obviously the blue still peeks through, but I didn't mind that because I liked the extra color for my locker, and I just really liked how this turned out. I love pearls, so I definitely needed to incorporate some sort of pearls into my locker. You can also just use crystals if you want. Another great way to decorate your mirrors could be to use washi tapes. They have so many different colors and styles, and you can go crazy with it. Really just show your style and do what you like. Those are definitely other things that you can try out, but I just went with the pearls this year. But this is what the finished product looked like, and then I just put it into my locker. And I just love to have a mirror, you know, to touch up, maybe put on some lip gloss, see if you have anything in your teeth, because that can be hella embarrassing, and we've all been there and done that. The next are just a few locker decor pieces. This one I loved. It's just basically a piece of paper, and I cut it to the size. It actually came bigger, and I loved it because it is a magnet in the back, so it worked perfectly, and it's just a whiteboard so you can write any notes that you have or anything due. Then I just moved on to adding these little containers, which were really nice because I added some safety pins, added some paper clips, some clips. You can really add any little things you need in there, and then you could just use it for school. This next decor piece is a mason jar, and I thought this was so cute and trendy, and it was also really affordable. All my decor pieces, like I said, are from the dollar store. I really wanted to make this locker video very affordable for all of you so that you don't have to break the bank, but your locker can still look super cute. But I just put all my pens and pencils in my mason container, and then I also added some magnets. However, these are actually erasers in the shape of food, and I couldn't resist, so I made them into magnets because I just thought it was so cute and trendy. I love the donut and the popsicle and the croissant. They were hella cute. You can honestly just take anything you want and make them into magnets by just gluing a magnet in the back of them. Next, I just bought a locker shelf, and these are really great to kind of separate everything in the lockers, especially if you don't really have sections in your locker. I went with this turquoise teal color because I'm obsessed with this color. It's one of my favorite colors ever. And I just also put a freshener up in my locker because, you know, you want it to smell good, especially if there's starting to be a scent. I definitely recommend adding an air freshener, and this was a unicorn, so it was super cute. And then I just added a couple little decor pieces that I wanted and more magnets because you can never go wrong with some more magnets. You never know what you might have to hang up. And of course, now it is time to fill in your locker. You can put your binders, your pencil cases, books, and then whenever you have your next class, you can come by and grab them, of course. But I just put some on the top of the locker shelf, and then I also put some on the bottom of the locker shelf. You obviously might have different lockers. Some lockers are longer and they're bigger. This one is kind of like a half locker, so I had to kind of use my space accordingly. But I also put my water bottle up, and yeah, that is the finished product. I think it turned out really, really cute. I loved it. I love just sprucing up lockers. I find it so fun. And I find when I decorate my locker and organize it and have shelves and do all of that stuff, it really helps me to keep my locker clean. Let me know if you've definitely been there where you just throw everything in your locker and your locker is a complete mess. And I find that if you have a messy space, you're just going to feel like a mess. So I really like to have a clean, organized locker. And I just find this helps me to make sure I don't lose any papers as well, or anything important, any notes that may be important for future tests. So I definitely recommend to just organize your space, whether it's your workspace at home or even just your locker at school. All the locker decor, like I said, is also extremely affordable. I got pretty much everything from my local dollar store. There's really cute things. I definitely recommend checking out your dollar store. Of course, you can also get things from craft stores and you can get creative with it, but this is what I came up for this year. I have 3 other locker decor idea videos, so you can always check those out as well. Just check my description box, and also check my back to school playlist, which I'll link also in the description box if you want to watch more of my back to school videos. But you can always leave any more back to school requests that you have, and hopefully I will do yours next. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up once again if you liked it. And also don't forget to click the subscribe button to become a part of the Nicolette's Fam Jam, because I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And if you click the bell on my channel, it will notify you when I upload those days. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!